Press the pneumatic connector lightly downward and pull out the PTFE tube. Take off the front cover of the tool head. Pull out the wiring terminal. Open the driven wrench. Remove the front shell of the extruder and the driven wrench. Unscrew 3 screws. Take off the rotating ornaments and extrusion gear. Push the buckle upward and lower the cutter lever. Remove the feeding block. Unscrew 2 screws. Remove the filament runout detection module. Unscrew 2 screws. Install the new filament runout detection module. Tighten the 2 screws that fix the filament runout detection module. Install the feeding block. Tighten 2 screws. Pull back the cutter lever. Lower the buckle after it is in place, and ensure the cutter lever is locked in position. Install the extrusion gear and rotating ornaments. Install the front shell of the extruder and the driven wrench. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Fasten the driven wrench. Plug in the top terminal. Install the front cover of the tool head. Plug in the PTFE tube.